Hello guys, this is Ivan here. I will show you a few systems which I'm using every day. It is the latest version of V20 Plus, V24 Plus Trader in free live trades, Bitcoin, USD, JPY and oil. Also, one of the best systems is MS-16 Trader. You see, MS-16 Trader is based on my strategy number 16. It is all automated now. It is also fantastic system. If you want to find more about it, I made many, at least 15-20 videos about this, and also about this. You can go to my webpage and see about it, everything. Today I want to help. You see, MS Trader, fully automated version of my strategy number 16. So today I'm giving this MS-16 Trader, where is so this trader plus latest version of V20 Plus Trader. So you pay only one and you get two. So you can pay, let's say, V20 Plus 279, and you will get for free this one. And that is not all. I will give you as a bonus, as a reward, fantastic system for manual trading trends. I cannot find it. Trend lock system V24, pure trend trading system, latest version few months ago. You can see all about it here, how to use it, rules. It is fantastic if you want to trade manually. So also this is as a bonus free. So to be quick, today 2 extra advisors plus trend lock system, you pay only one of it. So you pay what is of course cheaper for you. So free product, 2 extra advisors, and you pay only one, and you pay for V20 Plus Trader. So you pay V20 Plus Trader, you see, trading Bitcoin, you get free MS Trader, and guys, I will find trend lock system. I will come back in a second to show you, just to show you. So quickly, this is trend lock system V24. How to use it I explain, but quickly, when you get arrow, this is the first step, but you need 3 more steps to confirm before trade. This turbo trend and this line must be in blue, this should be blue, and this should cross over the 0, this red line, to be blue. So it is arrow plus 4 confirmations. So arrow plus 4 confirmations, and only then you enter the trade, but then you are very safe. So here you have everything. When you get arrow, you don't have this, so you should wait until here, and here you will enter the trade. When all is blue. This is blue over the 0. This is blue. This. And you have arrow. And you are safe. You see 300 pips on 1 hour time frame. So it is used mostly from 1 hour and higher time frame, or on a daily maybe. I don't know. Let's see on a daily. This is on a daily chart. Let's see the latest one. You will see a red arrow, a red trend lock, a red line, a red this, and this is over the 0 red. And you can trade. You will make 1,400 pips if you keep it until here. You can keep it still because everything is red. This is red, but you see here it is touching the blue line maybe, and this is going up. Maybe at latest you will exit here. I explained the rules, as I said, in many other videos. You will get, of course, information here. You see on 4 hour, even easier. Red, red, red. You see everything is in red. Arrow, this turbo trend, this line, this is red, this is red. And you are safe here to take a trade, guys. And you see easily 4,000 pips. Then buy trade. Blue, 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 everything is blue. You can trade here immediately for now 200 pips. So very easy to use. And guys, you get it for free today. Buying what I explained, 2 expert advisors and paying only 1. So buying this, you get for free. You get this and this plus this for the price of cheaper expert advisor, as I explained. So pay 1, get free, and this is also, I forgot to say, you will get 5 licenses, not 2. So you can use it on 5 different MT4 account numbers. To qualify for this fantastic possibility, you must be subscribed here and here on my YouTube channel. It is easy, just leave your email and that's it. The promo is valid today only. So you have about 12 hours from now to use this promo. Have a nice day. Bye bye.